Hi everybody, welcome to Truewants. This is where we will decide if we want to change our wants to needs. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. Also, there's a bell beside that subscribe button. It's called the notification bell. I recommend that you press it because what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. And what ends up happening is in your inbox, you will see a picture and the title of the video. You press on the picture and it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. I enjoy using it, so I want you to enjoy using it too. All right, today we got the IPSY bag in the mail. This is one of my favorites because this has a special place for me because this is where I started. It is now a $12 bag. It is mostly deluxe samples, but sometimes they put in a full-size product in there, so I love that. But what I really love about it is for $12 a month, if you love getting subscriptions or you've never tried getting subscriptions so you're not sure if you would like it or not, this $12 bag enters you into what I call the IPSY world. You get access to add-ons, you get access to what they have is called a shopper, which every day has daily specials in it that are bundles at really discounted prices. So it's a really exciting place to start. Plus, they always have a bag that's in the IPSY, no matter if it's the smallest box, which is the smallest bag, which is this one, or the middle one, you get a little bit larger bag, and then in the ultimate, which is the largest, you get the largest bag. But this time they match the material up with the ultimate bag, so you're getting the same luxury fabric that we got in the ultimate bag, so I'm really excited about that. The other thing is you get to customize one product, and you can do that even in the $12 bag. So you're really getting a taste of what IPSY is all about. So I think it's a great place to start. It's where I did, and I just love it. So I'm just going to empty out the bag so that I can show you the inside of the bag. They sent all the products in the bag, plus there was one item that got a little damaged, so I am going to be sending an email after I finish filming this, and that sometimes happens with shadows, but IPSY is really good. If you send an email, they will send a replacement product for it. So I was really happy about that. Happened either last month or the month before, and it really got handled very quickly, very nicely, all within the same month. Okay, so this is the bag that we got. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous color and fabric. It's very, it's quilted. It's very, to me, very Chanel-esque. It has a cute little tab on it that says IPSY. When you open it up, it is completely lined inside in a burgundy fabric, and it also has the IPSY logo inside as well. So really, really happy that you guys are going to be able to hopefully touch and feel and love this as much as I did in the ultimate. So really happy that this was in this bag. All right, I have a couple of add-ons that I put in here. Usually I try to do at least 5 so I could do a customized bag, but there really wasn't that much for me to choose from, but I did really well the month before, so I did get a couple, and I'll share that with you in this video, because normally when it's 5 I do a separate video for that because I call it my customized bag. This month is called I Feel the Love. It's February, so I think that's really great. And inside here they have a card with all of the items in here. So I'm going to be looking down, pulling them up from what's in front of me now, and then we'll go through them one at a time. I tried to open as much of the packaging as I could before starting to film, so that we can save a little bit of time there. So the first item was one that I chose for myself, and that was this 4-quad, and it was from the brand called Chella. And I've tried a couple of products from this brand, and I've been impressed. And like I said, I really didn't know what to choose for myself, so I chose this quad because I thought it would have a good array of colors that you can pretty much do one look using these 4 quads. So you got 2 mattes, you got a shimmer and a little bit more of a glimmer, but I will swatch those and we will see what it's all about. So let's read up and see what they wrote here. So it says, it's finally here. It is an eyeshadow palette you will want to wear every single day. All 4 matte and shimmer shades are highly buildable, blendable, and deliver a serious color payoff. Plus, it matters are water resistant. So the mattes, excuse me, are water resistant, so you can create endless eye looks that will last for hours too. It says they give a tip where you dab a shimmer shade into the center of your lids over the matte and on your inner corners for dimension. And I do that all the time. All right, they're saying this is a deluxe sample size, but they now mark on the card the value of what the full size is if you wanted to get it. So it says the value of a full size version of this product would be $45. So really, really excited about that. So let's do some swatching and see where we go from here. So the first two and then the bottom two, those are the colors there. And I'm just gonna put them right here. They're very, very velvety and really, really pretty. Really, really nice payoff. Very, very pretty. Okay, so that was what I chose for myself. So really, really happy about that. All right, the next item in here is a lipstick, and it is in the color Bang. And I'm just gonna, I ordered a second one, and I have this one here, but it's closed with a UPC code, and I'm just trying to see what the colors are on here. So this one I think is the one that I chose, and this is the one that came in here. So let me just see if I can peel this UPC code off to open it up. Perfect. So that's what this one is here. And these are small little sample tubes, but it is from, oh, there's a lot in here. That's how big the tube is. So really, really happy about this. This here, it says it is from the brand ILLAMasqua. It's ILLAMasqua. They're saying it is an anti-matter lipstick in the color Bang. And it says it show yourself some of the love with makeup that makes you look and feel amazing. It says starting with this dreamy nudie lip color. It is a matte lipstick, and it feels just as good on the lips as you go to a balm and glides on like butter. There's no tugging or pulling. Plus, the pretty nude shade will stay on for hours. They're saying this is a deluxe sample size, but the value of a full size is $25. So if you like the color, you can always get the next size. This is stunning. And the color is just as beautiful. And it's that perfect, perfect nude. So that's that one here. All right, the next item on the card is from Merci, and it's a handy, it's called Merci Handy. It is a hand cream in Hello Sunshine. It's 1 fluid ounce, and it says the winter weather can wreak havoc on your hands, but this hand cream is here to help. It's packed with vitamins and fatty acids, which are sweet almond oil to heal dry skin. It says look closely, see these tiny yellow dots. These are emollient pearls that protect your skin and give this cream a big moisture boost. They're saying if you want to wake up to softer, smoother hands, just slather on some of this cream before bed. And the full size of this, they're saying, is $7. But this is a perfect size for a hand cream. It does come with a small safety seal that I gave a little start to so that it would be easy for me to show you guys here. But I have not seen the product, so I'm trying to see. Oh, there's one of the dots that they were talking about. There's that burst. So let's close her up and then see what this feels like. I have never felt anything like this in a hand cream. It has a bit of like an exfoliation to it, and then the it does, like, I wouldn't say burst, but it melts into the hand, and then you don't feel the those little dots that were in there before. So really, really pretty and really fresh. It really, if sunshine had a smell, this would be it. It's very, very fresh and invigorating. Really, really pretty. Okay, the next item in here is from Pure. It's a 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie. They're saying it is a long wear foundation and concealer. And let's see what they wrote here on the card. They're saying that the color that this is, which I cannot see on the tube, so I don't know where it would be. Oh, there, right in the center. It says MG3. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's in that little circle. And what it says here, it says this 4-in-1 foundation is a multitasker almost as well as you do. It immediately conceals, corrects, and blurs imperfections with full coverage pigments, while simultaneously helping to improve the skin health with a cocktail of antioxidants, rich vitamins, minerals, and plant extras. The tip is to use a damp beauty blender to blend the foundation into your skin, and you add more where you need it. This is a deluxe sample, but the value of the full-size version of this product, which would be a 30 ml, is $36. So I love getting little sample sizes of these type of products in, even if they're in the $3 section, because it gets you to test a bunch of colors without, oh, it's a great color. Wow. I think it's going to be bang on. So if I love the formula, this will be an easy reorder. That's the color there. And I will just put it out on my hand here. It is really, really rich, and a little bit goes a long, long way. Really pretty color. Okay, that's that item there. Then the last item then in here is the one that came broken. And it's really ironic because this little plastic seal was in this item here, and this one came loose on its own. So it was all shattered. I had to empty most of it out, and I picked up just a couple of pieces so that I can show you guys the color and enough that we can swatch. So that's the item here. And this is from the Balm, and it's in the color Bourbon. And what they wrote here is it's saying it's the Autobalm Girl Powder in Bourbon. They're saying we're always excited when a product from the Balm comes across our desk. And this matte finish blush has quickly become our new go-to. It is a versatile deep rose shade that can use from work to weekend, plus it's long-lasting, blends with no streaks, and it's totally buildable. The tip is to dust a fluffy brush into the blush, then swirl it onto your cheeks if you need some more. They're saying this is a deluxe sample, and the value of a full-size version of this product, which would be 8 Gs, is $26. So I'm just going to try to put a little bit on my fingertip so that we can at least get a feel of what the color is. Let's see if that is enough there. And I will just put it right after the, oh, it is very silky. And it is, it's one of those rose colors that I think look good on a lot of skin types. So hopefully I will write to them and we'll be able to get a replacement of this, because blushes in this size, even if you can get it in the add-ons for $3, is a win, because to go through blush, I've never hit pan on a blush. All right. The two add-ons that I chose for myself was one from Viseart, and the other was another lipstick from the ILLAMasqua, because I've been so impressed with their line. So the first one from Viseart here, this is the cute packaging that they sent it in, and it is going to be just one shade, and that's what the shade looks like here. So to me, this is a perfect way to try a Viseart eyeshadow, because they are a little bit more expensive, and this is the type of shade that you can use all over your lid, or you can, oh, look at that, that one little swipe. So I think this is something you can use on your eyes. You could use as a highlighter. It is really pretty. And then the last item that we got in here, let me just try to sneak off the UPC code. Perfect. All right, is another one of these lipsticks like I mentioned, and this one is in the color Cosmic. So I'm going to put it right beside it so we can see the difference of the colors. And I'm happy I chose this one for myself, because this is my type of peachy color. And like I showed you before, it is a little tube, but there is a lot of product in here. And that is what that color looks like there. So like I said, so we got 2 extra products in here, and those cost me $3 and $3. So I got the bag plus this bag. And oh, I did receive one other thing. I did order myself a MODA Pro brush. This is what I'm mentioning about in the add-ons. This is a full-size product that I got for $3. It is a highlighter brush, but I have fallen in love with these MODA brushes. I find them to be really fantastic, and I knew it was going to be because I have a couple of other brushes that have this type of handle with this type of texture, and it has been absolutely impressive. And it's called the MODA, and it's in BMX 2885 Accentuate, and that's what it looks like here. It is really a luxurious brush, and what's great about these brushes is not only can you use these as highlighters, but they're also good for under the eye if you use a banana powder. It is just perfect. So really excited to have an opportunity to try this. So I added this on because when there's a full-size brush in the add-ons for $3, I usually can't resist, and I didn't this time either. So that's everything that was in my IPSY February 2020. Can't believe it still. Every time I say it, I can't believe it. February 2020 IPSY starter bag. This is called just the Glam bag. And I wanted to be able to share that with you guys because, like I said, it is still one of my favorites to, it's the one that I get most excited about because I got introduced to so many brands through this Deluxe bag that when I got upgraded to Plus, when they initially did the upgrades to Plus, you didn't have the option to keep this bag. So when they gave us the option to be able to keep this bag later on, I immediately added it back on. So I'm happy that I did. So this is everything that's in the bag. I think we did great. Once again, we got the 4-color eyeshadow. I got a lipstick. I got a blush that they're going to have to replace. I got a hand cream. I got a new foundation to try, and then I got my add-ons, which was another lipstick, the Viseart shadow, as well as a full-size brush. So I think we did really well. All right. Once again, thank you guys for finding my channel. Thank you for spending time with me. I would love you guys, if you're enjoying my content, to not forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I really hope that you do. It is really easy. It's that red button that's right underneath this video. And if it turns gray, you're in. It's free. And we get to spend a little bit more time together on the next video. All right. Once again, thank you for spending some time with me. And I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.